Hi everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to basically add screen recorder to your phone, like how I'm doing right now. So basically, you don't, so people maybe think you have to download an app from the App Store, but actually, you don't even need to do that. You don't need to do that. You actually don't need to download a fancy app or anything. All you need to do is go to your settings, okay? Go to your settings. Then click on Control Center. Then you should have all of these things. Now you should have all of the stuff that you already have and stuff that you don't have. But when you're over here, you should see screen recorder. For me, I already have it, so yeah. But anyway, you should see screen recorder, and yeah, then you click the plus on that, and then you have it. And then if you scroll up here, you have screen recorder. But here's the thing that you have to do: make sure your microphone is on, because then otherwise then your voice will not come in the video. So yeah, that's how you do that. Subscribe for more tutorials, and bye.